back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my sorrel drink. It's a drink you can find in every Caribbean home around Christmas time. So give it a try and enjoy. Alrighty, what we need right now is a plastic mug. This is what I prefer to use. Some boiling water, my dried sorrel, spices, sugar, and some ginger. And you can use any type of sugar, and check the description box below for all details. So what I'm going to do now is take my sorrel and pour it into my plastic mug. Then I'm going to add the spices. And the spices: bay leaf, cloves, spice. What I did use is spice stick, some grated ginger. You must have that zest into your sorrel, alright? Some brown sugar. You can also use white sugar, and pour that boiling water right up into there. So you're gonna get all the measurements in the description box below also. Once I pour that in there, you can see that the color from the sorrel leaves start to change, and it's a nice ruby red color. I'm going to take my spoon and just stir until the sugar grains have been dissolved. So simple and easy to put together. And I prefer to use hot water, alright? Do not use the normal cool temperature water. Cover it and set it aside for 24 hours. So it's the next day. We're going to give it a nice little stir again. At this time you can smell it. It's just good. Pour it over into your glass container, or even a plastic container you can also use. And you can see there's the perfect Christmas red color. And this sorrel drink has a wonderful tangy taste. The spices used add amazing flavors to the drink, which you just sweeten, pour over some ice, and you just use it up with some nice Christmas meal. This is a drink that you always find in every Caribbean home around Christmas time. So try the sorrel drink recipe for an exotic Caribbean Christmas. Alright? So let me know what you think about it when you give it a try. It's not too late to try because the holidays are not over. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy!